Hi, when I started coming to Dr. Forman in late February, I had a slew of ailments, which other doctors could not treat or wouldn't treat. And I had suffered a trauma, and Dr. Forman was the first doctor who treated my mind with my body and understood how they're all connected. And he's a true healer. You know, he was very intuitive and took his time and was patient with me, and I'm eternally grateful. And now it's April and I feel so much better, and I sleep so much better, and I have so much energy, and everyone notices the change. And I'm not 100%, but I feel confident that I will be 100% very soon.